Hey family, I hope you all saw the heartwarming moment when Modi ji teared up while delivering farewell words for Ghulam Nabi Azad, and strangely, shockingly, and uncharacteristically, Ghulam Nabi Azad too replied with dignity and love for India. This was one magical moment. I felt that as and when I see my Bharat Mata coming into her own in the Sanatan Dharm way of existence, this is what it would be like. Fam, this moment was indicative that we are on the right path. We have to step up our efforts on this path to take charge of our narrative. हम बिल्कुल ठीक रास्ते पर हैं. A grave injustice has taken place in our motherland for the past 700 plus years. Even animals are not as cruel and disgustingly vicious as the Mughals and British were. But we were made to believe that the emperors who made mountains of skulls of Indians were indeed kind ones who hand stitched caps for the poor, and the British gave us education, blah blah. The Mughals drank our blood. The British decimated our motherland. Then came Congress, the biggest debilitating knockout to India. India was broken, and we thought these Nehruvians were our own. After the deepest, darkest night of over 700 years, finally a glimmer of light, a sense of positivity is coming through. It is indeed a war of narrative. These cruel, cunning invaders understood this, which is why they would burn the written material upon invasion. Not only our Nalanda library was burnt or our heritage keepers, our temples were broken, but every land conquered lost their written word either to the Boko Haram belief, which means that books are haram, or to the Catholic evangelists. Why? Because anyone who controls the narrative controls the world. Therefore, books were burnt. The same war is on today. The same weapon of creating a corrupt narrative is on today. So we have to step up, flood the social media, openly talk about the farm bills or uniform civil code or triple talaq or greatness of Sanatan Dharm as a way forward for India. At the face, we have to remember, बिनय न मानत जलधि जड़ गए 3 दिन बीत बोले राम सकोप तब भय बिन होए न प्रीत. Remember that Ghulam Nabi Azad's tearful words are from the same person under whose watch the biggest gruesome genocide of Kashmiri Hindus took place. It's under his watch that no redressals whatever were done for these Indians. He acknowledged that, oh, Kashmiri Pandits always supported me, but he did nothing. Why? Because there was no pushback from all of us. Today, his words show that he understands that his long political legacy is black, that he stands at the very margins of Indian history and will be remembered, if at all, as a side chamcha of which Antonia Mino. For this long battle ahead, we have to be alert of our own external and internal condition. At the external level, ये डर अच्छा है और हमें ये डर बना कर रखना है. पूरी जान लगा देनी है भारत माँ का नैरेटिव सशक्त करने के लिए. Because we were unaware, greats like Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel, Veer Savarkar, or going further back, the likes of Tatya Tope were forgotten. And the sneaky villains who plotted to have them finished off became our leaders. This can never happen again. And at an internal level, though, we have to constantly remind ourselves of Advait Vedant, how a swan stays in the water but its feathers remain dry. Similarly, we have to engage with the wicked Danavs and yet strive to remain unaffected internally by their corruption. We have to remember at every moment not to get dragged down by their venom and maintain the maryada of Sanatan Dharma while cleaning up our land. Case in point is the Twitter rant that Meena Harris, niece of Bhai Bhatijawad propagating VP of US Kamala Harris, started with Garuda Prakashan's Sankrant Sanu, I think. The calm dignity with which Sankrant responded to madly frothing in the mouth enraged Meena Harris was a lesson for me. This is what I remind myself every time I read a comment calling me filthy names. I respond to a low being in my own way, but I never let it affect my inner calm, my inner space, because inside, Par Brahm and I are one. And if I allow these sold out creeps to ruffle my inside, then I have lost the battle because I have besmirched the seat of Brahma. And Brahma consciousness cannot stay for long in turmoil. So keep calm and soldier on, my family. We are on to a good start. I will see you soon. Bharat Mata ki jai.